Topic 1. U.S.-China trade relations improve with tariff reductions boosting global markets. The United States and China have recently agreed to significantly reduce tariffs on each other's goods for 90 days during trade negotiations held in Geneva. This agreement is expected to invigorate global markets. Specifically, tariffs imposed by President Donald Trump last month will be lowered from 145% to 30%, while China will reduce tariffs on U.S. goods from 125% to 10%. Although this tariff relief is seen as a temporary measure to ease the trade war, it is anticipated to have a positive impact on the global economy. Both countries have also agreed to establish a mechanism for ongoing discussions about economic and trade relations, marking an important step in addressing their economic differences. Topic 2. Trump administration's healthcare policy initiatives, including drug pricing reforms. President Donald Trump is attempting to lower drug prices in the U.S. by reviving the most favored nation policy, which aligns U.S. drug prices with lower prices abroad. This policy is expected to significantly impact the pharmaceutical industry, with Trump claiming it could reduce prices by 30% to 80% immediately. The initiative will affect Medicare, Medicaid, and the commercial market. The administration plans to eliminate intermediaries, allowing American patients to purchase drugs directly from manufacturers. However, the pharmaceutical industry opposes this policy, arguing it could harm U.S. patients. Trump is also considering imposing tariffs on imported drugs to promote domestic manufacturing, as part of his ongoing efforts to align U.S. drug prices with international levels. Topic 3. Corporate restructuring and investments, including Nissan job cuts and Anheuser-Busch's U.S. job creation. This article discusses two major corporate activities. First, Anheuser-Busch will invest $300 million in its U.S. manufacturing facilities to create jobs, particularly supporting veterans pursuing careers in manufacturing. This investment will lead to the construction of a new regional facility in Columbus, Ohio, and expand technical training programs to enhance local skilled labor. Anheuser-Busch continues its efforts to promote economic prosperity and strengthen manufacturing in the U.S. through its Brewing Futures initiative. Second, the article highlights the rise in global technology and semiconductor stocks due to the recent tariff suspension agreement between the U.S. and China. Notably, major semiconductor stocks like NVIDIA and TSMC have surged, reflecting reduced supply chain concerns as trade tensions ease. This situation has positively impacted technology stocks, with investors expressing optimism about future trade negotiations. Topic 4. FDA recalls ready-to-eat foods due to listeria outbreak, raising public health concerns. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has recalled several ready-to-eat foods following a listeria outbreak that has hospitalized at least 10 individuals in California and Nevada. Fresh and Ready Foods voluntarily recalled various ready-to-eat items, including sandwiches, pasta, and snack products, which do not require further cooking and have use-by dates ranging from April 22 to May 19, 2025. The recalled products were sold in various locations across Arizona, California, Nevada, and Washington, and consumers are advised not to consume them and to clean and disinfect any surfaces they may have come into contact with. The FDA and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, have been investigating listeria cases since last year, but recent findings of listeria in fresh and ready food samples have prompted a renewed investigation, raising public health concerns. Topic 5. OpenAI and Microsoft discuss potential funding and IPO, indicating significant developments in AI. OpenAI and Microsoft are renegotiating the terms of a partnership worth billions of dollars to facilitate OpenAI's future IPO while allowing Microsoft access to cutting-edge AI models. Microsoft is discussing how much